Pop quiz. What's the smallest unit of life? An atom, a molecule, a cell, or a tissue? Make your pick. Got it? The answer is the cell, the tiny compartment where every life process begins. In this video, you'll learn the parts of the cell, what each organelle does, and how plant and animal cells compare. To begin, a cell is the fundamental unit of life. Inside, an organized internal environment supports life's chemistry. At the boundary, the plasma membrane protects the cell and controls traffic. It is semi-permeable, allowing some molecules to pass while blocking others. Just inside, the cytoplasm is a jelly-like medium rich in enzymes. Ribosomes, which make proteins, are scattered throughout, either free in the cytosol or attached to membranes. In the control center, the nucleus safeguards DNA inside a double membrane, and nuclear pores regulate what goes in and out. Next, the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, extends from the nucleus. The rough ER makes proteins for export or for membranes, while the smooth ER builds lipids and helps detoxify. Both send their products in small vesicles. Those vesicles then arrive at the Golgi apparatus, which modifies, sorts, and ships molecules to their destinations. For energy, mitochondria generate ATP to power movement, transport, and synthesis. For cleanup and storage, lysosomes digest worn-out parts and invaders, while vacuoles hold water, food, and wastes, often very large in plant cells. And here's the key comparison. Plant cells also have a rigid cell wall for support and chloroplasts for photosynthesis, whereas animal cells lack both. Curious how much you're remembering? Your personalized practice test, flashcard set, and study guide are all waiting for you. Just tap the link now and keep watching. Future you will thank you. Now that we've met the key parts, what do cells do? First, they grow and divide through mitosis, producing identical daughter cells for growth, repair, and maintenance. During division, DNA is copied and passed on, so each daughter cell inherits a complete set of instructions. Next, the cytoskeleton provides shape, internal transport tracts, and movement, working like beams, rails, and winches together. For moving materials, passive transport, such as diffusion and osmosis, carries substances down their gradients without using cellular energy. By contrast, active transport pushes molecules against a gradient using ATP, and bulk movement occurs through endocytosis and exocytosis. In plants, chloroplasts capture light to make sugars, and mitochondria then extract ATP from those sugars. Together, they form one energy pipeline. Stepping back, not all cells are the same. Prokaryotes lack membrane-bound organelles, while eukaryotes, plants, animals, fungi, have compartmentalized interiors for efficiency. In short, cells are life's smallest working units. Membranes regulate traffic. Organelles make materials, package them, and supply energy. And division supports growth and repair. Prokaryotes are simpler, eukaryotes are compartmentalized, and plant and animal cells differ in key features. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.